In this video, we're going to focus on upgrading our Richtech V2 Pro to the latest firmware. Before we do any configuration, this is the first step. And what you're looking at here is the client config tool. So this will allow us to do the upgrade. If you have more than one Richtech device, you can perform a scan and be able to actually upgrade all of them at once. So this is a nice addition to the V2s where you have to do each one independently. Now, right off the bat, the main thing you have to do here is go to settings and make sure that the IP address here matches your current computer's address. So whatever you're running this on, make sure that matches. And this is needed because if you have it set to something else, when you perform a network scan, it will not actually do that scan within your network. So once that's done, go ahead and run these scans. Just press on this and you'll see the little magnifying glass here, and you'll see immediately the device that you have on your network come up. Now, to save some time, I've already gone ahead and upgraded this device. However, to upgrade it, you're just going to go into your little tool here. You're going to find the upgrade, and then you're going to press the up arrow here. And this will start the upgrade process. It'll start by uploading the files to the unit first. That takes around 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on your network here. So do allow around 5 minutes for this entire process to complete. Then I'll go into actually upgrading it, and the device will actually reboot. In my case, it rebooted twice. That's okay. On your screen, you'll see something that says loading. Just leave it, don't unplug it. Let it do its power cycles. Let it finish the upgrade. And now that this is done, we can actually look at a couple more features on here. So we're going to cover that next.